Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see how to make delicious spaghetti. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. In the heated oil, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Saute the garlic till it turns slightly golden brown. Here I am using two oils, olive oil and a normal cooking oil, but you can add either of the one or you can add some salted butter. In the golden brown fried garlic, add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Saute these onions till they turn golden brown. After the raw smell of the onions and garlic is gone, add a quarter cup of finely chopped capsicum or green bell peppers. Saute this as well. Now add 1.5 cup of fresh tomato puree. To make this tomato puree, the recipe is given in the description box. I forgot to put the boiled corn, so I am adding it now. Add about a teaspoon of tomato ketchup, some red chilli powder and a bit of green chilli sauce. Mix this well and cover it and cook it. The oil has separated and there's a nice aroma. Now let's add our cooked spaghetti. Mix this well. After mixing it, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some basil flakes. Lastly, add some salt as per taste. Our spaghetti is ready. I have put some grated cheese on top because I like it. You can relish it just like that. Yum!